Hello, IK here. Welcome to Chapter 7, Update Data CRUD, Guided AI Coding. I asked AI for simplest possible coding update. Here is the result. Products list.js6. I scroll down slowly, but you will stop video and analyze every part of script. Server.js. You learn code deeply. How? Ask AI to explain every nuance. I ask myself how to teach in the age of AI. You ask yourself how to learn in the age of AI. All three of us give our best in what we do without competing with one another. The teacher creates the curriculum. The AI codes and responds to questions. And the student asks, explores, and learns deeply. Don't type the code. Clone the application from my GitHub repository. The address is in the description below the video. You are thinking, the AI is typing. Uh, okay, if you know somebody that needs a video like this, tell them about that. If you like it, subscribe if you need, and it is end of the video chapter 7. Thank you for watching this video.